everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to replace parts on your ROBOROCK S5. We're going to replace the air filter, the side brush, the rollers, and the battery. I'll show you how to replace each one by one, and then I'll give you the information on the battery in case you ever need to replace it, including the model number. So let's first start with the air filter. Most of this stuff's very easy to do and everybody can do it. It's just visually, it's always better to see it done than, you know, a little manual showing you how. So just open the lid, pull out the dustbin, and there's a mark right here that says to pull. Pull right up on it, and out comes the filter. So to replace your filter, set it back in there, clicks in place. Once again, very easy, anybody can do it. But I just wanted to show you.
Installed.
Okay, next we're gonna flip it over. Try to protect the laser. All right, next let's do the second easiest thing, is just the side brush. A lot of manufacturers, you can just pull it right off. Not the case for this one. You literally just have this one screw. Hold it in place while you're pulling it off. Comes right off. Grab your new one, slide it right on, screw it down. Once again, super easy, anybody can do it. Now for the rollers, in case these ever get scratched up or rip, just pinch these two, grab this right up, comes right off. Literally just pulls right out, and your replacement roller sets right back in just as easy. Start with the square end. Push it in the square hole, set it back down in there. Then replace this lid. Super easy. That's all you gotta do. I guess the hardest part about this whole video is gonna be the battery. Battery is the hardest thing to get to, and you're gonna have to unscrew all these bigger Phillips head screws to get to the. All the screws out, and then you pop it right off. You can, but you don't have to have the side brush uninstalled. Will be easier if you actually take off the side brush. You can get it to work without, but putting back on the lid will be much easier with it off. So you can see this has quite a bit of debris underneath the lid, cereal and dust. No big deal really. And then that gives you access to the battery. Pulls right up, and then there's a little connector there you just simply push in. Pretty easy to get to. Let's tell you about the battery now. All right, the battery model is BRR-2P4S-5200S. This is by far the biggest battery out of all my robots that I've taken apart. And this is it's rated at 5,200 milliamp hours. That's a nice big battery. Get your new battery, slide it right back down in there, and then simply replace the lid. Sets right back in place. Then replace the side brush. And that is it. That is how you change the battery. And everything else, maintenance-wise, that needs to be changed over time. That one had a lot of dirt inside the body. All right, hopefully you found that video helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe. I'm gonna do this on my other robot vacuums and show you how to change everything. Yes, it's easy to do, anybody can do it. But like I said, to me, visually, it's so much better just to watch a quick video and know exactly how to do it. All right, that is it. You all have an awesome day. See you later. Bye.